So you guys, hope everything is going fine with you. So today we're gonna make a small project which is random joke generator using a Python module which is Pyjokes. So without wasting much time, let's get into our screen as fast as possible. So I'm here in my screen, and before starting the project I would like to tell you that you need to open your terminal and run the command pip install Pyjokes. Here I have run the command already, pip install Pyjokes, and it says that requirement is already satisfied. You need this module to make the script. So once you install this module, which is called Pyjokes, from the terminal, then you're gonna directly dive into your Python file and you do import Pyjokes, which is the module we're gonna use. And after that I'm gonna make a variable to store our jokes, which could be jokes, and jokes is equals to uh, wait a sec Pyjokes is equals to pyjoke dot get joke. And then if I control click on this get joke, it shows that what does it take the input, what does it take as a value in its brackets. So it is the language it takes. Generally it is English. And the category, there are a lot of categories like neutral, all, or programming. You can edit that. Okay. uh, okay, so that's what it is. And please don't try to, like, edit this file as it contains the code of the module. So I'll cut it for now, and then I'll put the reference, and then I'll put the value in the brackets. The first is language is equals to en. We're gonna take language as English. And after that we have the category. So we'll do category is equals to, there are so many categories, you can just web search for the categories the Pyjoke module have, but for now I'm using all the categories. So with this line I got with this line I got the jokes. So now, just to show you, I will just print jokes, and every time I run this file it show me a different joke, like Chuck Norris knows the last 9 digit of pi. And if I run it again, it will show a new joke. Programmers time space continuum, programmers continuously space the time. And every time you run, it will show you different jokes, as you can see here in my terminal. Every time I'm running, it is showing different jokes. Okay, so you can see that it is giving different joke every single time. Like you can see a joke is, a friend is in a band called uh, 1023 MB. They haven't had a gig yet. So that's it. So if you talk about this module is all about this, and this might have some more features. You could It doesn't have particularly more features, but it has more categories out here on which you can get the jokes, like programming and all. So I would request you guys to go on web and search for this topic. And as now we can see that if I'm running this file, it shows the jokes. Just normally I have to run it. But then if you want to create a GUI application using this file, I have something nice for you. I will give you a GUI of this file. GUI is the graphical user interface code, and I'll write that code and I'll be back. Okay, so guys, I'm back. So as you can see here my screen, I have made an GUI application for it. So for making this GUI I have used tk-enter. If you guys don't know how to use tk-enter and how to make GUI applications, you can comment for that and I can make those videos. So if I run my GUI application for now, it does the same task. That is, like, this is my GUI application. I have made it in very hurry because I just want to show you. You can upgrade this thing and you can use this Pyjoke module in your upcoming or further projects. So if I press on this button, it will randomly show a joke on this entry visit, just like this. Okay, it is showing the jokes and it is showing all correct, like random jokes every time. So like what do you call a parrot that says quack? Pieces of nine, pieces of nine, a parrot eye error. Oh, that was funny. Okay, so after that, every time I click, it gives me different jokes, and then I just added an exit button to, like, fill this empty space. But yeah, you have free way to edit all this code, and you can get it, edit the application or the GUI and make it more fancy. So I'll explain you the code in quick brief. So the code goes like, I've imported Pyjokes and tk-enter, and here I made a tk-enter screen. As you can see here, I've written all the things which I've done, there are imports, and I have made a tkinter screen, that is the normal syntax. And after that I've made a function that shows joke, that gives the joke, like def joke, and that line, this is the line which we wrote on the starting, and I'll explain you this line later. And after that I made then exit button wala function, exit button function. And after that I made a button, joke button, which you can see here. I'll run the, which is this button, the joke button. By pressing, the joke runs. So the joke button, I've made here button, and then I've given that button a command that is joke. So whenever I'll press that button, that then the def joke will run. So what will def joke will do is get a joke from Pyjokes, and after that it'll print that joke in the label, and the label I have made it here. You can see the label is here and the exit button is here, and I've run the exit command here, because that's just exit, that is very simple. And after that here is main loop for my GUI, and as you can see the GUI at the last, it is pretty good, like not that good, you can make it more good. You can get random jokes here. Okay, I love pressing F5 key, it's refreshing. That was a nice joke though. So I'll exit the app and I'll close this. So all I was talking is you can modify this code and you can use this library in your further projects or a part of your project, because this library is very interesting. Make sure to use it, and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, because I create such interesting videos, but still the sub count is sad. Till then, bye bye.
These my dollars make it hurt.